What's up, my YouTubers? Welcome back. Hey, just letting you know, a little bummer, I lost some footage. It happens. What are you gonna do? We're only human, right? I may have deleted it myself. And unfortunately, it was a fun part of the build. The, pistons, cylinders, heads. It was like all one night. Just crammed it all in, worked late, got it done. But it happens. It's okay. It happens. There'll be more engines to build. You've seen it before anyway. So anyway, I want to just say that real quick and just keep following along with this engine build. We're almost wrapping it up. We're going to be starting it real soon. So thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for commenting and subscribing. Take care. Alright, we're making great progress. Well, these things, they just fly together once you start bolting stuff on. Yeah, I went back to my original plan. Couple reasons why. I actually don't have any more gaskets for the pea shooters. These are already installed. Muffler's not too bad. It'll last me another while. The other reason is I was really looking for some new heat exchangers, and I couldn't find any at the last car show. So I think next time I pull the engine, I'll just do heat exchangers and brand new muffler. So that's kind of the reasoning. Everything will be fine just for now. Today we are gonna go ahead and replace these guys. Take my word for it, they're pretty shot. This one might be not showing it too good, but they are pitted and they're pretty shot. Like I said, take my word for it. So with the power of internet, I was looking, I found a set on Amazon. And they're empty, not the greatest quality. A lot of people were complaining, so I said, you know what? Let me go to the Samba, and I found a guy. He has a box of brand new NOS. So Amazon had MP, which were pretty crappy, for $24, and I got NOS. They were $30 a set. I got 2 sets. Can't beat that. So let's get these swapped out. Just wanted to share with you guys a great video series of rebuilding VW engines.
As you remember, we marked bottom dead center on this pulley. Here's why. Now we can bring around the distributor. Like so. So we're firing number 2 at this moment, like so.
So the distributor is 100 degrees out from what it was.
Yeah.
Zero dead center.
Right, now we're firing number 2.
I'll put a link in the description, but this is their channel, Drag Racing TV. I'll put a link in the description. Check this out, Drag Racing TV. They got a series. They're old videos, probably from the 80s, but really, really good information, really helpful, and kind of makes you chuckle too. It's kind of comical. All right, we're mostly about 98% assembled. Just got like this lower tin. We'll do that later. Let's see. I'm gonna do a compression test. What else? Brand new clutch. I don't remember what I recorded. Just doing a quick walk around. Everything's tight. Exhaust, everything. I'm really bummed because I was I wanted to get new heat exchangers. Not new, but something a little better. There's a couple little pinholes on here, but I'm going to fix that before it goes in the car. You know, the exhaust system, which is the heat exchangers and the muffler, it should give me another at least year or so. And I'll be pulling the engine again, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it's stupid, but who knows. So next step is to get this thing off the stand. I'm going to get it on a furniture dolly, and I'm going to just strap I got a spare transmission. We're just going to just bolt a transmission to it. The whatchamadinger, the bell housing that Jason lent me, it just won't fit. I mean, it'll fit, but it just it's a 12-volt starter, and I have a 12-volt starter, but I don't know if it's gonna mesh with these gears, and it's not really working on it right now anyway. So we're gonna lower this thing down. It's sketchy as hell, of course, but we got a chain fall, and it works. We're gonna hook this right here. Now don't worry, I don't want to hear comments on how unsafe this is, because it's already been done. I don't care. Oh my god, there's stink bugs falling out of the chain vault. Comment down below if you got tons of stink bugs in your house. Ridiculous. Oh, it's falling all out. Falling on me. Nasty. Alright. Let's see, let's get this thing in here a little tighter. Come on. Nothing much to it. There it is. Just checking the roof rafters. It's easy. Go down a little bit. Can't get the damn lip, the frickin' stand out of the way. Come on, idiot. There it goes. Jesus Christ. It's shit. There. All right, here we are. We're all set up. Yeah, I don't have a bell housing. I just have a spare bus transmission. So let's do a quick compression test. I'm just kind of winging it tonight, slapping this together, and I'm going to start it up tomorrow. Let's see what this one's putting out. that's pretty good. I'm over 150. Everything internally sounds good. Let's check the next one. I'd say that's a good start. Better be. Got enough into this. Oh, that sucks. Alright, bear with me. Alright, here's number 2. We stopped at 150. I don't know if it's like Harbor Freight quality here or... Alright, stopping at 150, I'll take that. Cylinder number 3. Whoops. Okay, we'll take that. And here's cylinder 4. Alright, we're looking good. Stay tuned till tomorrow. Or in a few seconds. Well, I was going to wait for tomorrow, but let's see if this thing goes. Checking for oil pressure. Guess we're good there. Must still have oil pressure. Yep, there it goes. Alright, filling up the float bowl. That should be good. Just to get something, huh? Is that any better? Well, that's creepy as hell, isn't it? Well, what are you gonna get? What do you want? Oh. Well, that's not good. A little bit of leak on the accelerator pump. Oh. Damn it. Alright. Timing might be a little off. I didn't finish hooking up the exhaust. Oh my god. I'm gonna call it for the night. I don't think it's timed right. We got some other stuff, punch list items we got to take care of. We'll be back in the morning.